Well, hello there, fellow adventurers. All right, let's talk about our practice trade on the S&P 500. It's called Spider. It's an ETF full of the stocks that trade the S&P 500 index. And it's a little confusing, but what it is, it's a group of stocks. It's not like an Apple or an Amazon, which those are stocks. This is actually a bundle of stocks. The advantage of trading SPY is it's very liquid. In other words, you can get in and get out. You can always find buyers and sellers. And since it's a group of stocks, if you have one or two stocks going up and one or two going down, it evens the flow so you don't get that up and down choppiness that sometimes you get. What I've got on the board here now is a utility. Let's go to SPY, and here's S&PY. This is what you folks are trading. We pretended that you bought 100 shares. The stock opened up this morning at 336.52. You bought 100 shares on paper. It closed at 4 o'clock Eastern time, 336.71, which means you made about $19. So $19 in virtual money. You guys are not rich, but if you went to a virtual restaurant, you could probably spend it there. Let's see. Let's pull up my account. Hang on with me. There we go. All right, so this is me. This I trade out of two different accounts, but this is my daily trader. I trade every day the stock market's open. I sold a bunch of stocks today. I sold some gold stock, some treasury bonds, and another ETF stock. I kept some of my old trades. This SSO, it was held over from last Friday. This 3Qs, it was held over, and this SPY was held over from last Friday. The new entries was I bought 10 contracts, and I trade in options. I don't trade stocks, but about the same thing. The only difference is each option has 100 stocks in it, and I trade 1,000, generally trade 1,000 at a time. I bought, these are 100 stock lots here because I was holding it over a 3-day weekend, and I don't like to hold a large amount of stock over a 3-day holiday. So anyway, I bought these. Now, this SPY right here, you notice I've already lost $140 on it. You guys made money on your trade. I lost money on mine. I got into this trade a little bit later than you did because at 9:30 when the stock market opened, I was with a client. So I paid $336.90 for the stock, and you guys paid $336.52. So that's the difference. So we'll see how things work out as the week goes by. Hang on to your stock. Let's go back to the chart. Okay, so basically when we're looking at charts, and that's all you do is chart when you're trading stocks. You're not an investor. You're not holding stock for weeks, months, years like Warren Buffett or somebody like that. You're just in and out, making profits, and hopefully. And so this is a weekly chart here. You can see up here it says WK weekly, and we're following the S&P 500 or SPY SPY, and you can see that it's going up on a weekly basis. Now you can pull that down into a 1-day basis, and you can see that it's going up, and it's taking a little dip right here. This is a little dip right there. But mostly when I get in and out of stocks, it's on the 4-hour trade. So right now, I wouldn't be buying SPY. If it goes above this green line up in here, like these stocks right along here, these are buy times, these are sell times. These are times to sell and take your profit. hopefully your profit. And then once this goes back into the green, this red turns to green, and your stock is trading above this line right there, that's a good time to buy. So we'll keep an eye on this. I think you guys are going to have a lot of fun with it. So if you're writing or keeping a journal, you actually got in at 336.52, and you can mark mine as getting in at 336.90. So already you folks are ahead of me, and we'll play this out anytime during the week you want to sell your virtual stock and take your profit. Do that, but I recommend that you hold it all the way up till Friday, maybe even Friday close. I think you're going to make a lot of virtual money off your trade. Have fun, and we'll get started on our challenge first of next month. All right? All righty.